What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're running an ad looking for a US audience to buy your product, to buy your service, you are selling ebook or promoting your affiliate link or affiliate program product and other stuff, and you want to target US audience, UK audience, France, Australia, and even if your ads showed in that location or that country, how you can get the right people who want to buy your product. So we are going to look at that. If you don't want to miss anything, make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you have any question, put it in the comment section. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section and tell me what kind of product or service that you are going to use and target this USA. Or let's get started. We all know that running ads and get the best results from it. I always say this one, you need to use ads manager. So this is my ads manager dashboard here, and let me go to create here and create my ads. Go to new campaign. So this ads, I'm looking for sales because I want these people to buy my product. Then I hit on the sales, and it depends on the kind of product that you are selling. In case you are promoting your affiliate link and want to get these people their contact number and stuff, you can use the leads section. Okay, so I hit on sales here. This one I want sales. Then I go to continue. I set my ads in the manual section. These were three level on setting an ads or creating an ads. So the first one is our campaign. The second one is our ad set. The last one is our ad. But without, I don't want to waste our time. Let's jump to straightforward to the point. So what we are going to target is what the asset level. That's where we are going to target our audience out there. So the asset level, we will scroll down to, we will not do anything here. This is the conversion location, the kind of platform that you want to use, like your website. And if you want a message, you can choose the messaging app and other stuff. So we will scroll down here and come to audience control. So this is where we are coming to set up and target those people. If you look at here, we have location, and my location include location is Ghana here, and I don't want to use Ghana here, or I can hit on more. We have a lot of stars here, but I don't want to use Ghana here. I'll come to edit here, and on edit here, still Ghana is selected. That's what my current location right now. I don't want to use that one, so I come to here and not kick out that one. After I've taken off that one, I need to make sure I include the kind of countries that I want to use, right? Before I do that, I need to come to this side. That's what the browse here. And if I hit on browse here, you see countries here. If I selected all, that's what the whole world will see this as. But I don't want to do that. I'll come in and selected this one, countries. Selected that one, we have countries here. We have Africa, Asia, and other stars. And we are targeting European or Europe. So I'll choose Europe here. If I choose Europe, you scroll down, you find the European countries that you can target. We have a lot of European countries. So which one are you targeting? Okay, so we have UK here. You can select UK. United Kingdom, you can select the United Kingdom. If you want to use any country aside the United Kingdom, you can select that country. You can choose that one. You come to this side, then you can, if you want Asia, you choose Asia. You browse through it and choose a country in those area that you can select from it. You can scroll down here. We have for Central America. You can choose that one. Choose country that you want here. So I will select the United States. In case I want to use these two countries, I can select these two countries, and and then we'll target those people. But we have selected countries and our ads will show on that country. So how can I know that if my ads show in that area, the people who will see the ads will hit on it and buy my product or service? After we have selected our country, everything is saved here, right? And if you check in the estimated results that we will get every, and to do that we need to set our ages range depend on your product and service. Okay, so I set to this one, let's say it's 20, and then we scroll down here, we have languages here. I can set that one. So it come to audience, custom audience. If you come down here, you see we have for target or detail targeting. This is where we are going to target people who will buy our product. And our product, it will depends on the kind of product that you are selling. So let's say you are selling waist loss product. So waist loss product, how can you know that these people will buy it? So to do that, you need to search for people. In case I type of waist loss, so if you search here, we have diet, we have other stuff here. So healthy diet, you can select that one. That's what interest. I can select for. So you see waist training. We have waist training here. So I can select waist training, and it will show as what interest because they want to lose weight and other stuff. Or I can type for those people who go to gym, and for you to know that these people will buy your product, I've made a video on how you can target all these stuff. So if you don't want any wahala, you can check out that video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.